ध्वनि सूचक अलंकार में हम लोग को क्या सीखना है? जो शब्द है उस शब्द खुद ही बता रहा है कि ध्वनि को बताने वाला एक वर्ड इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट आ गया। इसी वर्ड के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा चेंज किया और ये ध्वनि जो शब्द है इसको बताने की नीड पड़ गई। साउंड होता है और यहाँ पे वही लिखा भी गया। चलिए मैं पहले डेफिनेशन की तरफ चलूं फिर आपको बताऊं। इन विच फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच साउंड सजेस्ट इस मीनिंग इज कॉल्ड onomatopoeia. It means suppose that there are any types of sentence in which one sound tells what the meaning of the sentence. If any sound tells, describes, suggests the meaning of the sentence, that is called onomatopoeia. For example, the cat meow meow. This is cat and the meow meow is the sound of cat. Very important example. Listen and look. Here, the snake hisses. The snake hisses. This is important. This question is asked many types of examination and many times. That's why I'm telling you. The snake hisses. Hisses is the sound of snake, and the sound suggests the meaning of the sentence. That's why in this sentence there are figure of speech that is known as onomatopoeia. Okay? But I think let's come back on sound. What is sound? What is sound? This is a big question for you. The beginning of English language, the beginning of any language, the smallest unit of any language from which all the letters origin, that is called sound. Sound is the smallest unit of any types of language. But in our English grammar, it is not written. It is written, the smallest unit of language is called a letter. And what is the definition of letter? The smallest unit of any language is called letter. It's written already. Okay? But I think in this figure of speech, sound was attached. That's why I told you about many types of things about sound. Okay, enough. Thank you for watching.